Yung outsourcing na Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, doon kasama si Cassandra Leong. Siya ang incorporator doon at nung binago to sa amendment, tinanggal na si Cassandra Leong at siya na ang naging representante at ng Whirlwind Corporation. In other words, talagang makikita mo na yung kanilang mga corporations are intertwined as well. Na meron lang ginamit na mga incorporators na mga bogus. Bogus sila eh. Hindi sila kasama doon sa original eh. Pero itong si Ronaldin Baterna, kasama siya mula una hanggang huli. Hanggang ngayon, kasama ka, Ronaldin Baterna. Kasama ka sa Outsourcing Incorporated ng Lucky South 99. Kasama ka sa Lucky South 99 Corporation when it was amended.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
gusto lang i-establish dito. Alam mo, Miss Paterna, naawa ako sa iyo kasi hindi mo alam eh. Marami kang hindi alam. Ibig sabihin, ibahin ko yung question ko. Ibig sabihin, nagamit ka. Tama o mali? Hindi mo alam eh. Nagamit ka, correct? Tama o mali?
Hindi ko, hindi. Normal na
Ano po yun?
empleyado.
Ano po yun?
Normal na empleyado lang po talaga ako sa Lucky South.
Well,
So parang
look,
wala po akong alam sa mga ano po nila, sa mga pinaggagawa po.
Ang korporasyon po na kinabibilangan ng mga foreigners, ang 60% po niyan dapat Pilipino. Ang 40% dapat foreigners. So ilan po ang share ninyo? Ilan ang share ninyo sa korporasyon na yan?
Wala po.
So corporate secretary ka, incorporator ka, pero wala kang share, correct?
Wala po.
Sino ang may hawak ng 60% share?
Hindi ko po alam.
Sino ang ibang Pilipinong incorporator dyan?
Hindi ko po sila kilala, sir.
Chair, may establish dito, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga Pilipino incorporator at hindi niya alam dapat ang korporasyon sa Pilipinas merong 60% share ng Pilipino, 40% ang share ng foreigner. Sino po yung foreigner na merong share dyan na incorporator?
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
So hindi mo yun alam kung sino yung Chinese na incorporator dyan.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo kilala kung sino ang presidente at chairman ng korporasyon?
Hindi po.
So, corporate secretary ka, ikaw ang nililista na lahat, ikaw ang nagre-record na lahat, pero hindi mo alam ang pangulo ng korporasyon.
Hindi po. Kasi hindi po ako yung nag-prepare ng
Kaya
mga
lang,
papel.
ikaw ang corporate secretary, Mr. Chair. So ito establish natin, hindi mo kilala ang president ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang chairman ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang mga Filipino incorporators.
Hindi rin po.
Mr. Chair, sinasubmit ko sa committee ito ang testimony ni Ms. Paterna na siya po ay ginamit at na-pressure kahit hindi niya inaamin. Si Chair.
Congressman Bante, I think this person is withholding her knowledge about a lot of things. I truly believe on that. Why? Because she's been there for 5 years. 5 taon na sila magkakasama. At kung titignan mo ang mga dokumento, mula nung una na ginawa pa lamang po yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, isa na siya doon. Naging Lucky South 99 group pa yan. Tapos naging corporation. And now, you're denying na wala kang alam. And I believe dito medyo pinaiikot tayo nito. And I'll be holding back yung ating nararamdaman sa ngayon because I believe medyo itong si Ronaldin Baterna being there for the longest time, we don't believe that you don't know the president. You don't know the members. You don't know the other incorporators. You don't know Cassandra Ong?
Cassandra Ong, kilala ko po siya.
Gaano mo na siya katagal kasama?
Nakikita ko lang po siya, Chair, kasi, di ba?
Nakakita mo siya, nakakausap.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo siya nakakausap for 5 years?
Hindi po.
Alam mo, nagsisinungaling talaga tong batang to eh.
Mr. Chair,
And I believe that may kalalagyan ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair,
Alam namin na meron kang alam. So be honest.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt of this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Abante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yon?
Hindi po.
Ito, kasi Ms. Paterna, as far as I understand, pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. No? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo?
Hindi po.
Your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po kasi parang kinakabahan po ako.
Hindi,
Tsaka hindi
kaya
po
nga,
ako
kaya nga
sanay.
in-explain ko sa iyo, so you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who's the lady?
No. She's the lawyer. Attorney.
Sandali po.
Please don't whisper to the resource speaker.
Sandali po.
Let her
Sandali.
answer, okay? On her own, okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you, to say something to your
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
siguro Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Sandali po,
for
Mr. Chairman, di pa ako tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No,
Okay.
I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes,
hear.
Congressman
With
Paduano.
due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first Miss Baterna if indeed she understands the
Okay.
contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And
some...
now you're-
Wait, Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak. Para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Ito tanong mo na diretso. Miss Baterna,
Yes po.
ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat-lahat. Gusto mo tagalogin natin? Naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung contempt order o
Opo.
motion? Naintindihan mo na? Na ikukulong ka dito sa house. Naintindihan mo ba? Naintindihan mo ba?
Opo.
Tapos, ang violation mo is yung hindi pagsagot ng tama sa mga tanong ng mga kasapi ng committee ito. Naintindihan mo?
Opo.
Please.
Yes po.
Okay. Yun yung consequences. Now, do you want to answer the queries truthfully?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so in relation to your motion, Congressman Abante, but put in hold, may I ask Dennis Cunanan, Mr. Dennis Cunana, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. You were one of those who have started this corporation. Am I right?
I didn't start the corporation, Your Honors, but we were
But
the
you
ones
were
who
a part.
assisted. Yes,
Kasi kung
we assisted
titignan ko
them.
yung organizational chart, kasama ka doon as a
Communications, nilagay nila, sir, so
yes,
communications.
yes,
so they can,
you are a the
communications,
corporate communication
Communications.
and government relations.
Yes, sir.
And during that time that you were a official of the organization or the corporation, you have encountered si Baterina.
Yes,
Am I
Your
correct?
Honors. Yes, Your Honor.
So, ano ang relasyon nyo? I mean, what is your working relationship? I mean, the working relationship, not the personal relationship.
I don't relate with her, sir, but she's always there whenever we are there because she's in charge of there's a facility there where they meet all their guests and people dun sa May Thai Court. So siya po yung in charge doon. Siya yung nandun.
So, in other words, she's working as a real corporate secretary.
For that, I'm not really sure of that, Your Honor, but I know she works there because she's there.
At kasama-sama niya doon sila Cassandra Ong.
Yes, Your Honor.
Man.
Sige, go ahead, Congressman. Padua.
Anyway, this is a short question. Anyway, tinanong mo na si Dennis Cunanan. Dennis, sir, now you know talaga yung Miss Paterna, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. When was the time that you know the person, Miss Paterna?
When they first asked me to go into that
Year na lang po, year na lang.
2019, Your Honor.
Oh, 2019, Miss Paterna. Kilala mo po si Dennis Cunanan.
Nakikita ko po si Sir Dennis.
Oh, nakikita mo.
Opo.
Oh, pero Dennis, that time, di ba, si Miss Paterna is associated not with Lucky South 99, but with Whirlwind.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Miss Paterna, do you confirm dating Whirlwind ka?
Ang alam ko po, Whirlwind yung dati, tas parang ang pagkakalam ko po, naglipat lang, parang naging Lucky South.
Hindi, Miss Paterna, you first sign a document doon sa lease agreement na pinakita kanina ni Congressman Adyong, representing Whirlwind. Sa kabila, Cassandra Ong. Tapos, yung bagong amended lease contract, ikaw na yung nandun sa Lucky South 999. Tapos si Cassandra Ong nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Lucky South lang po yung natatandaan kong pinipirma.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt for violation of Section 11, Paragraph C.
Mr. Chair,
Refusal to answer pertinent question or lying, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
So move,
Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Abante, you are
I'm
recognized.
still on with my interpellation. Before we act on the motion of Chairman Paduano, I would like to ask again, Ms. Paterna, kung ngayon naniniwala siya na ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Will you answer, please?
Siguro po.
Hindi siguro. Kung ginamit ka ngayon, nakikita mo na di ba? Nakita mo na, no? Hindi ka naman bobo matalino ka So tinatanong kita, kung ngayon na-realize mo na ginamit ka ng korporasyon.
Opo.
Yan, okay. Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that Ms. Paterna has finally admitted that ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Does Mr. Dennis Cunanan agree with that?
I suppose so, Your Honors, because of her
Now, you're
representation.
not supposed to. You
Yes.
better tell me
Yes, Your
right
Honors.
now.
Yes, Your Honors.
Yes, okay. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I also have to manifest that Mr. Cunanan also said that he agrees with Ms. Paterna, admitting that Ms. Paterna ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. So, shall we proceed with the motion, Mr. Chair?
Chairman,
Okay, go ahead. Are you done, Congressman Abante? So,
I'm asking if we should proceed with the motion. Yes. Oh.
well, there's a
it was-
motion to
it
cite
was,
her.
it was Chairman Paduano who made the motion. If I would like to ask if Chairman Paduano
No,
would like
I
to
think
proceed with the motion.
the rule will bear us out. The first who did the motion was Congressman Abante. So we will be not considering we will not consider the motion of Congressman Paduano because you have the pending motion.
Yeah,
So,
I-
but before we proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of our Senior Deputy Speaker Dong Gonzales. Sir,
Mr.
you
Chair.
you are
Mr. Chair.
acknowledged. Wait. And also Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. You are welcome, sir. Go ahead, Congressman
Chair.
Abante.
For a while ago, I withheld the motion if Ms. Paterna will tell the truth. So today, she told one truth, Mr. Chair. So I would like to ask now if the motion of Chairman Paduano will still be considered. I would like to ask Mr. Chair, Chairman Paduano about this.
Mr. Chairman, of course.
Go ahead, Congressman Paduano. But
Of
before you proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ernesto Dionisio Jr. of the 1st District of Manila and Congressman Paulo Ortega of 1st District of La Union. Sir, go ahead.
Of course, I will yield to the wisdom of this honorable committee. But before I will, whether I will hold back my motion, Mr. Dennis Cunanan, last na lang po to sa issue na to. Since you started with Whirlwind, di ba? Tama?
No, sir. Lucky South.
Hindi, as consultant, di ba?
Lucky South, Your Honors.
Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
But, alam mo po na si Paterna is with Whirlwind originally.
Yes, Your Honors, because they were the ones who handles the facility.
Who handles the facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
And even the lease contract, alam mo rin yun.
Oh, yes, Your Honors.
Na she was the one who represents in that contract, first contract, with the Cruz family.
Yung first contract, Your Honors, it was the original incorporator of Whirlwind, Mascarenas po.
Correct.
Salinas, ba't nandun din si Paterna?
Employee po nila.
Oh. Tapos, nag-Lucky South siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Siya na ngayon nag-represent sa Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, last na lang, Miss Paterna. Do you confirm the statement of Dennis Cunanan or you still refute?
Alam ko po kasi yung Whirlwind tsaka Lucky South, yun lang po. Yung masasabi.
At least
And then, do you confirm na una, nasa Whirlwind ka? Tama?
Opo.
Okay. At least sumagot siya ng tama. So, Mr. Chairman, with that, I withdraw my motion, Mr. Chairman, for a while. Kasi marami pa mamaya ako itatanong kay Ms. Paterna.
Okay, Congressman Paduano, thank you so much.
May
Congressman
I
Abante, thank
continue,
you so
Mr.
much.
Chair? Am I...
You are done with your interpellation,
Oh,
Congressman Abante, because nakaka 10 minutes na po kayo. So we will be proceeding to the next.
All right. May I also question later on?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Of course. So we'll be acknowledging, recognizing Congressman, sino ba? Minority, Bosita. You have 5 minutes.
5 minutes, 2 minutes na lang, Mr. Chair. Neophyte kasi, kaya 5 minutes. Sa senior congressman, 10 minutes. Anyway, joke lang yan, sir. Anyway, Mr. Chair, good morning and good afternoon to everyone.